Guys, we're still on arthritis in the ailments of A to Z. If I can think of a Z, I'll try and make one up if not. We're on A still. We're just been doing a talk about osteoarthritis. The other kind of form of arthritis is something called rheumatoid, which is actually an autoimmune disease. And this is where our immune system starts to actually attack the joints and the body. Commonly it's in like the fingers and that kind of area, but it could get anywhere. And it's a little bugger because a lot of it is inflammation that causes a lot of the pain. Sometimes you get crystal build-up and what have you. So what would I recommend? A couple of things actually, dietary-wise. Cut out things from the nightshade family is my first thing. What is the nightshade family? I hear some of you ask. It is things like tomatoes, potatoes and aubergines are kind of that nightshade family, but Google it and there may be others in there, I'm sure there probably is. There just is a tendency to antagonize inflammatory responses, which is, a lot about is rheumatoid arthritis. The other things I would look at 100%, and I talk about this a lot, but antioxidants, and I would look at something like boswellia, definitely boswellia, amazing, or turmeric. But be careful about which turmeric you buy. Do you need to take black pepper with it? Do you need to take it with a meal? It's got fats in. It's fat soluble. Boswellia, take it with food. You don't need the black pepper thing at all, in my opinion. Sorry, I better say that. Just take it with food, and you will get, if you get a good one. Again, I'm gonna recommend Nature's Aid. Definitely, their turmeric is brilliant. Boswellia, certainly Terra Nova and Viridian, 100%. Both amazing. And turmeric, it's a tough one with that. Definitely Nature's Aid turmeric's very high strength and get some great results with it. And the Viridian and the Terra Nova one, again, it's a tough one. Any of them. Go on the price on them three. I never go with price, but on them, they're so good. Go on the one that suits you the best in terms of value for money for you. That's what I go with. But they'd be what I would look at on rheumatoid arthritis. Notice I've not mentioned glucosamine. There's a reason for that. Okay, so not on rheumatoid arthritis. Osteo, yeah. Rheumatoid, no. And don't be. I'm hearing a lot of shops are still recommending the word arthritis. Oh, glucosamine. There you go. So that's what I'd be recommending to you is not glucosamine. Go with boswellia, turmeric, even. If you've got a bit of both osteo and rheumatoid, there's Terra Nova do a great one, which is the boswellia, turmeric and MSM complex, phenomenal. So that's where I would be with that. Keep your fish oils up or your flaxseed oils and away you go with that. Brilliant. That is arthritis. Thank you very much. Cheers.